Hi everybody, this is Nikki from Calypso Cards. I'm really excited to introduce our May release, which is launching to coincide with Noted, the Greeting Card Expo, online from May 20th to 21st and opening on May 13th at noon for viewing and setting appointments for the following week. Just to focus on a few highlights of the release. This is Vinaya, a new artist for us from Australia. Beautiful, delicate water flowers embellished with gold foil and cards for all occasions. Some florals, lovely vibrant colors, and sympathy. This one is from Space Frog, really one of my favorites. Beautiful card by Janet Bell, and some other sympathies. We have some new Naughty Betty cards, still going strong for many of you. The Just Girl Project. Colleen Atara, whose words are always personal to her and yet speak for so many of us. Curly Girl designed 3 new cards. And Little Branch, also designed in Australia, watercolors. You may recognize some of these children who we had before, but we've updated them with gold foil. Over here we have a new collection for birthday cards, all in these beautiful indigo jewel tones. More all occasions. Moving up to more in the outdoor activity series, which we launched in January. So there are more besides what I've shown you here. Catalogs will be going out in the next couple of weeks. Your reps will have samples in a couple of weeks. Everything will be on our website as of May 13th. And we look forward to seeing you at Noted. Thank you. Bye-bye.